Hey guys, so I'm honored to announce that the road to 10th anniversary Galaxy, aka the pinnacle of Samsung's power, has officially started. There's been a lot of important news that came out after the MWC, which I haven't covered as I was busy playing with the Galaxy S10, S9 Plus, covering up everything on the channel for you go in front of journalists at MWC 2018. Reporters asked him about whether the naming will change or not, and he said that it might get a name change, but it will surely keep the Galaxy branding. So pretty much confirming the previous rumor that the S letter might be dropped and it'll most probably call as Galaxy 10. Now this Galaxy 10 name is famous for the foldable phone from Samsung, which is why Samsung might use this for their 10th anniversary Galaxy smartphone because it's already pretty popular. It's simple and it won't make things complex. Now the primary target for the 10th anniversary Galaxy phone is to have a zero bezel display or as less bezel as possible compared to the current generation. And we might actually have our first reveal. Now someone actually emailed me this, and basically at about 44 minutes of the official launch conference, they showed this huge collection or collage of photos in which, if you look closely, there's almost a zero bezel phone. Look at that display. It's just wrapped around on the whole front of the display as well as on the sides. I don't know why it's there, but it's certainly interesting. It could be a glimpse of the future. In this same shot, you can see the Galaxy S9 or the S8 with clearly visible bezels, but this thing looks something else. Imagine after announcing the Galaxy S9 if they said, wait, there's more, and boom, we bring you the Samsung Galaxy 10. That would have been such a beastly zero bezel design, and how they're gonna do it is currently unknown. Guys, this year we'll surely see a lot of crazy leaks because this is big. This is their 10th anniversary phone. Right now, all this information is coming from Samsung themselves. The reporters were able to get some info out of the CEO during the MWC, so the leaks have yet to start, but let me know your thoughts about what you want to see on the 10th anniversary Galaxy phone. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are still holding on to their from the competitors, so I think Samsung is going to keep all these useful features for a long time. This is also the reason why the foldable phone wasn't revealed to the public during CES. DJ Ko did say that it's difficult to talk about the foldable phone launch. He said, we need complete confidence that we're delivering the best user experience when we're launching a new category. The biggest thing that is causing the delay for the foldable phone is not the building process, it's actually the software, introducing a device that works. Back to the topic, for the first time, my man, the main man, DJ Ko, has shed some light on their 10th anniversary Galaxy S phone. You guys remember a month ago, I made this video talking about a report that says that Galaxy S9 might be the lost Galaxy S phone because Samsung is looking to make things simple when it comes to the naming, as our beloved legendary S generation is indeed reaching its double figure. We'll see their 10th flagship release this year. It's been a fun ride. So this huge rumor is now officially confirmed by Samsung Mobile CEO DJ thing to do. But yeah, that didn't happen, but this image did show up, and if you guys want to check it out, you can see it around at 44 minutes of their official conference video on YouTube. Now we know this already, we talked about this before, that there could be a holes in display method for achieving this bezel-less design, or there might be a mechanism like the new Vivo Apex concept phone, which has a whopping 98% screen to body ratio thanks to the out of the body front camera that it looks both as a smartphone and tablet. Is actually a challenge because Android doesn't allow the underlying control to Samsung as Apple does with its smartphone and tablet, so this may prevent Samsung from creating a high quality Android experience for both phone and tablet modes. This is why they are taking their sweet time with all these futuristic products. So now, as DJ Ko himself said, that foldable phones will have a new category, which means that the original plan for the Galaxy S10 is to achieve years when you open the camera app. It's a really genius concept, so Samsung can take something out of this. There's a reason why Galaxy S9 is unchanged design wise, because the main focus is on the 10th anniversary flagship. It's a big deal. The phone of the decade has to be so awesome that it starts a new era of smartphone innovation. Now, reporters also asked that Chinese manufacturers like Vivo have already made an in-display fingerprint scanner phone, to which DJ Ko replied that we were obsessed with being world's first and industry's first, rather than thinking about how this innovation could be meaningful to the consumers. Being the first is no longer important today, and our strategy is to launch something that consumers believe is meaningful and valuable at the right time. So pretty much Samsung wants to bring huge value to the people rather than bringing gimmicky features, which is why headphone jack is still here. I think Samsung is going to keep these useful features, as well as the micro SD card slot for storage expansion, which is something that you don't see S8 and S8 Plus devices, because they want the huge change which is coming next year with the 10th anniversary Galaxy phone. So huge news, name can be changed, and elimination of the bezel is the main goal. So let me know what you think about this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.